So let's have this problem. So to find the limit of this trigonometric function, so for this given, since this pi over 4 is equal to 180 degrees divided by 4, because pi is equal to 180 degrees and this is equal to 45 degrees. So to solve now for this limit, since x used as an angle, so therefore x is equal to 45 degrees. So for the numerator, this is tangent 3 times 45 degrees, then over this cotangent, then 2 times 45 degrees, then plus the second squared, then 45 degrees. Then to simplify, so multiply this 3 times 45. So this becomes tangent, then 135 degrees, then over this cotangent, and 2 times 45. That's 90 degrees, then plus. So since we can write this one as the quantity of secant 45 degrees, then to the power 2. Then using now the calculator to find the value for this tangent 135 degrees. So we have tangent, then 135 equals, that's negative 1. So the numerator is equal to negative 1, then over. Since in the calculator, there is no cotangent and there is no secant, then we're going to use the identity to solve for this cotangent 90 degrees. So since using this figure to find the different identities, so we have sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent. This is secant and cosecant, and this is 1. So for this cotangent 90 degrees, and these are the different identities for cotangent, so we need to convert this cotangent to sine, cosine, or tangent. And using this identity, that cotangent is equal to 1 over tangent. And since the given angle is 90 degrees, so 1 over tangent 90 degrees. Then since tangent 90 degrees, that's equal to error or undefined. Therefore, we cannot use this identity for this cotangent, and using the other identity for cotangent, so this cosine over sine, so we have cotangent equals cosine over sine, and the angle is 90 degrees. So this cotangent 90 degrees is equal to cosine 90 degrees, then over sine 90 degrees, then plus for the secant 45 degrees. So for secant, we can use 1 over cosine. So secant 45 is equal to 1 over cosine 45 degrees, then to the power 2. Then to simplify, so this is negative 1, then over this cosine 90 degrees, that's equal to 0, then over this sine 90 degrees is equal to 1, then plus. Now take note that this cosine 45 degrees, so using the special triangle, that cosine 45 degrees is equal to square root of 2 over 2. So this becomes 1, then over square root of 2 over 2, then to the power 2. Then to simplify, so we have negative 1, then over this 0 divided by 1, this is 0, then plus. So distribute this exponent. So since x over y to the power 2, this is equal to x squared over y squared. So distribute the exponent. And for this 1 over square root of 2 over 2, so distribute the exponent. So we have 1 squared, that's 1, then over the square root of 2 to the power 2, so cancel the radical, that's equal to 2, and 2 over 2, that's 4. Then to simplify, so this is negative 1, then over 0, then plus 1. Take the reciprocal of this denominator, so times 4 over 2, and this is the reciprocal of 2 over 4. Then to simplify, so we have negative 1 over 0, then plus, so this is 1 times 4 divided by 2, this is 2, so we have negative 1 over 2, so the limit is equal to negative 1 over 2.